CHC sir, principal sir, my dear teachers and students, स्कूल मुसलसल बंद रहा, इस वजह से बच्चे तैयारी नहीं कर पाए और जिस तरह से उनकी तैयारी हर साल हुआ करती है, इस साल लगातार स्कूल बंद रहने की वजह से वो तैयारी नहीं कर पाए हैं। लिहाजा सिर्फ मैच होस्टिंग का रस्म ही अदा किया जा रहा है। तो मैं अपने प्रिंसिपल जनाब वारिस अहमद खान साहब से गुजारिश करूंगा कि दो शब्द आकर बच्चों को अपनी नसीहतों से नवाजें। जनाब वारिस अहमद खान साहब।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all of you. Here, we know that India is our domestic to public. It is developing category and Gujarat and Goa. As we know that on this day our constitution came into effect. This constitution is the achievement of our great freedom fighter. So I would like and we must pay homage to all of great soul of our nation whose hard effort and hard struggle have given such a type of constitution in which every citizen has been given equality, fraternity and liberty. It means that all citizens of India is equal before law. There is no any inferiority between among the citizens. When it was decided to be a constitution, to be a law in our nation, a committee was organized, a committee was set up in which different people from different parts of the country, without any discrimination, belonging from each caste, creed and gender, were participated. It shows that our constitution gives us opportunity of equality, opportunity of liberty and opportunity of fraternity. A question arises that why 26 January has been selected as a Republic Day. I would like to explain it for our students that Indian National Congress session was held on 30th December at Lahore, in which Indian National Congress demanded complete independence. And complete independence will be celebrated on 26 January 1930. But as ill luck could have it cannot be achieved. So, to maintain the dignity and maintain the historical importance of the state, our constitution was enacted on 26 January 1950, which provides us equality, which provides us democratic nation, and now we are the largest democracy in the world. Thank you and namaste.
सारी जहां से अच्छा हिंदोज़िदा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोज़िदा हमारा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोज़िदा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का, पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का। वो सौंदर्य हमारा, वो काफ़िला हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोज़िदा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती है जिसकी हजारों नदियां, गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियां। गुलशन है जिसके दम से रश्के जना हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोज़िदा